Hi guys, this is a Yale 851 padlock. That's the key for it. The lock working normally. It's brand new. Well, brand new to me. I don't know how old it was. It's kind of new old stock kind of thing. Another look at that bitting. It's fairly flat. There you go. I'm going to start off with tension on the open side. It does lean over quite a bit. And on account of that flat bitting, I'm going to use a my slightest hook. So there's a clomb. Let's go to the back. Leave it on pin 5. 4. 3. 1. Full section. Somewhere at the back. Pin 5, I think. Slightly longer hook for this. Here are you, Mr. Spool. In there somewhere. Feels like pin 5. But, trouble getting on him. So, picked open on pin 5. More hampered by my choice and tension wrench than anything else, I think. There we go, guys. Lovely lock. Quite an easy pick there.